Hello friends, welcome to another introduction into Adobe Photoshop, and this is a quick introduction to show you how Adobe Photoshop works before diving into real projects. In short, this video is meant to show you how the interface, like to make you familiar with Adobe Photoshop interface. So when you have installed Adobe Photoshop into your computer and you open your Adobe Photoshop, you're going to get this home screen. So we have our menu bar on top here, then we have the create and the open. The create is meant to create a new project and the open is meant to open an existing project. Then these are my recent projects. For you, if you have not done any project recently, you won't get, this place will be empty. So for us, let's just dive into creating a new project. So for you to create a new project, just click on create new, click on that, then you just ensure you give your project a name. So let's call that project 1. Project 1, yeah. Then ensure you select pixels on this drop down. Ensure you are using pixels. Then the width is 1920 for big screen, 1920 by 1080. Orientation, let's do landscape. Then ensure the resolution is 72 ppi, that is 72 pixels per inch. So if you are designing anything that is going to be used for web or on screens, but if you are designing anything that is going to be printed, ensure your resolution is at 300. So for us, we are going to design for web, that is 72 pixels per inch will work for us. The color mode, ensure is RGB. Then if you are designing anything that's going to be printed, ensure the color mode is CMYK. For us, we are doing it for web, so RGB is good for us. Then the background, you can choose either black, white, transparent, or you can give a custom color. For me, I'm going to leave it at white. Then yeah, that's it. Then just create. And if you create, you're going to get this artboard here at the center that is white in color. So first things first, I want to take you into a quick introduction into the Adobe Photoshop interface. So the Adobe interface, at our very top here, we have the menu bar. This is the menu bar on top here that has the file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D view window, and the help. So this is our menu bar. But on our left, we have the tools panel. This is the tools panel where it has all these tools. Then immediately after the menu bar, we have our control bar, the options bar. This is our control bar. The control bar changes depending on the tool you have selected. If I select on the first tool, as you can see, it changes. If I go to another tool and select on it, it changes. As you can see, it changes depending on the tool you have selected. That is the control bar. Then on our right, we have our panels. So we have, this is the color panel that enables you to select colors. It enables you to select any color. As you can see, if I select, appears here and down here. If you select any color, as you can see. So this is the color panel. Then after the color panel, we have our swatches panel. The swatches panel contains custom colors that have been defined here, right, as you can see. So this is our swatches panel. Yeah, it can help you get a specific color in case you need one. You can just click on it, and yeah, that's it about our swatches panel. Then we have the gradients. So this is our gradient panel. It contains all the gradients. You can have the basic gradients. We have blues, yeah, we have purples. You can just use these custom gradients. Yeah, they're just here. The orange, we have greens. If you click on this drop down, you'll be able to get them down here. So those are our custom gradients. Then we have this pattern panel. Then now on a very important panel that is a must know for you as a beginner into Adobe Photoshop is the layers panel. The layers panel. The layers panel contains all the layers that are on your artwork. So we are going to dive deeper into the layers panel in the next video. But for now, the other thing that you need to know is how to make your, in case maybe you lose your panels like that, you can make a mistake and just see that your panels have just appear here, and now they're not here anymore. So you might think if you close it, it will go back, and that's how you lose them. So how do you get back your panels? Just come to Window. You can look for the panel. If it's the layers panel, click on it, and here it is. Or the other thing you can get back your panels, just come to Window, go to Workspace, then reset this workspace. So if for us, we are using Essentials default. So just come to Reset Essentials, and we have all back our panels here. Yeah, as easy as that. So that is how you get back your panels. You can rearrange your panels the way you want. For me, maybe if I want my layers panel to be somewhere here, you can just drag it like that, and when that blue line appears, just drop it, and yeah, it is stuck right here, and you can click it and drag it away. So for me, I like my layers panel, I like it somewhere here until that blue line appears, then release it, and yeah, then now you can place it where you want it to be. So that's it for Adobe Photoshop interface. We have the menu bar, the control bar, the tools bar on our left, and the swatches, the panels on our right. And at the center, this is our artboard. This is where our artwork goes in when designing, inside this white artboard at the center. So that's it, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.